Alright, y'all, so we got another unboxing today. You can already tell what it is. I mean, you're looking at it. But anyway, ready to show y'all what this thing all about. For one, it's the Amplifi HD router. By itself, no mesh points. My house is really not that big to need the 20,000 feet coverage, but this right here should do just fine. So basically what it is a very, very highly densified router, which can crack, it's basically made for tricky houses. Like houses with a lot of concrete or stuff like that, old built houses. Let me just get this open. There we go. So I'm gonna show y'all all the specs when I get the plastic off, so don't be no glimmer. I'm gonna cut to that thing real quick. Alright, so as you can see, I have the Amplifi HD turbocharged 802.11 AC Wi-Fi performance router. Basically HD is for high density because it can break through a lot of tricky walls, like stuff with concrete or maybe even wiring. Not the strongest, but it's definitely a good one. It's the aggregate speed is 1,750 megabytes per second, and I guess memo of 3x3. Bluetooth Smart, we got the connector cord, stuff like that. I'll show you all that when I take it out the box. And another thing about this is it connects to power through Type-C cord, so that's kind of interesting to me. It doesn't really tell me about the type of band it will have on the box. Maybe it'll tell me inside the box. So whether it's 5 gigabytes or 2.3, whatever. So this is the box it comes in, whatever. It opens up like this. Move those keys. Then you get stuff like this on the side. You got basically the get started manual. Nice and simple setup. Tells you everything you want to do step by step. It's a really simple program. I mean, you don't really need much to operate this. So let's get this out. The item itself. Ooh, flashy. And there you go. Also, it comes with the user manual and the Ethernet cord and stuff like that just to get it started. Wow, got the Type-C power cord. Ooh. So, basically it has a LED touchscreen which can show you stuff like the speeds that you're using and all that. We got the main power, like Ethernet cord, which will give you internet to this, and you have the other four that'll disperse Ethernet connection to any other device. We got the USB cable and the power cable right here. So let me just plug it in to show you guys how it is. Alright, so it's booting up right now. I'm going to show you guys on the side of the screen what it looks like searching for the app in the App Store. All you got to do is really search Amplifi, and it should pop right up. Yep, see, Amplifi Wi-Fi, and there you go. So I want to let that do that while it's getting connected. As you heard, I just connected everything and got it signed off. So it takes a little bit of a while to get everything booted up again, just like any other regular router. As you can see, it's telling me now to download the app, so let me just do that. I'll get back to you guys when it's done. Alright, so this is going to be what it's like opening up the app for the first time. I'm going to show you inside of the screen again. As you can see, it says continue and all that type of stuff. So it's pretty easy setup. You just set up the mesh system. So give you like the step-by-step guide, what you have to do. I already did all that. So alright, so it's setting it up, and as you can see, the blinking light starts up, says done. Alright, so it configured everything, as you can see. So now I'm inside the app. You can go into the general settings. Also, it doesn't start off on the screen with the regular time. It starts off with military. And also, while I'm at it, I can show you like the other screens it can bring you to. As you can see right now, I'm using 396 total download speed already. Regular device would not allow me even to come close to that, so that can already tell you a big jump on the speeds and the download speeds and upload speeds that I'm using. Right now I'm using 0 because of the video. I'm not really doing anything, and plus it's a new one, so I'm only connected to it with my phone. So back to the phone, so we can show you that. Go into your general settings and everything like that. You got the military time, turn it on and off, whatever, stuff like that. And then you can go back to the lights on the system and turn the LED down, turn it back up, stuff like that. Internet settings, wireless settings, stuff like that. It's on here. Then you got performance settings. You can do like a little test. I'm not really going to do one for too long, so skip that. Got the guest settings. You know, if you want to throw a party or something like that, you can allow that to happen for like a few minutes or hour or whatever. Then it just shows you how many devices you're using and what device exactly is using it and how much they're using. Then you got the diagnostic test, and that's basically it for the app. There's a lot of things you can do, but it keeps it simple. Also, right now I'm going to show you guys the two tests I did from the old router I was using and the new one. Very dramatic test. And then after that, I guess I can let you guys go. That's basically the whole device. So, hope you liked it. If you want to pick it up, I have it in the link down in the description below, and I'm definitely going to keep it. So, alright, y'all. So before y'all go, I don't mind the onesie, y'all. Look, I'm styling right now in this onesie. But anyway, to the point. Before y'all go, I know the video ain't the best unboxing review in the world. You know, I still got a lot to learn when it comes to the industry of filming and all that. But I'm doing my thing out here, you know what I'm saying? I'm making it work. All I want y'all to do is hit that subscribe button, you know. Like and comment. Let me know what I should do next, maybe. Give me some, give me some tips. And just become part of the family. The family of angels, you know what I'm saying? We all up in here. Jeez. For real this time, you know what I'm saying?